it back.
Dee 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 dee. La, 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 la. Good morning, everybody. How are you doing today? Today is a Brucey bonus because
G'day.
I've got an Ollie with me. He sent me a text last night saying what was I doing. I told him, and he said, "Oh, can I come along today?" So he's here to give me a hand. So Blair went back on Friday. So we've gone from a tiny, don't tell Blair, tiny Scottish guy to a big strapping Australian fella.
Yeah,
so
the surprise cavalry.
yeah. So
right.
so yeah, definitely a Brucey bonus. So today we are going to continue doing all of the drainage and all of this sort of stuff. So I don't need to explain that to you guys because you guys have already heard me waffle on far too much about that. Let's see how big Ollie's muscles are. I think they're really, really big.
Huge.
Huge.
Absolutely huge.
Huge. They're huge. Right, let's get on and do something. Dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. Dee 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 dee. Right, need a double stack of them. These bricks. And put a double stack of bricks down through here.
Okay.
All right, bud. Dee 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 dee.
Double stack the whole way, you said.
Yeah. So 2 deep. Let me just get this glued in here, and then we can actually like carefully tip and pour and gently compact around here, and as we go. Oh mate, the sun's gone. Gutted. Mate. Right, Ollie.
Yes.
Come and hold this. Push it against. Come in the middle so you can hold it. Consack with a little chamfer. 192, something like that. Lovely. Do the same thing as we did before. Do do la 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 la. Hey, am I boring you, Ollie?
Yeah, mate.
How have you got on so far today? What have we been up to, Ollie?
Laying some pipe.
This is what we've done. We have installed our pipe run here. I'm gonna go slow and I am going to see if any of you guys can spot my mistake. Leave what you think the mistake is in the comment section below, and on the next video I'll tell you what the mistake actually was. It's not embarrassing, is it?
Very, mate. Very embarrassing.
We have all of this. We are going to encase all of this all the way around here, and then this afternoon we're going to go back up and start actually fitting the canavos and the stuff that I did with Blair. So let's get on with it. So you might be wondering, why am I putting these stones here? Helen wants to grow something that's going to attach itself to the pole of doom. What I'm doing here is just putting a little bit of a block to the concrete that we're putting in, and then the drain will stop here, and there's going to be a large amount of dirt installed around here, which should hopefully be enough to allow whatever it is going to be grown up here to be grown up here.
Howdy ho! I was thinking about the mill all day long.
Well, hopefully something will grow in here, up there.
Senor Uncle Ichi.
Thanks, mate. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to Ollie for his help today. They all like playing with the beard. I don't know why they like playing with the beard, but they do. So you might see Ollie sporadically popping up because he's going to be around for a few more weeks, something like that. So
Yeah, mate, a few more.
So Ollie was actually in one of our episodes, number 42, I believe. So he looked a lot younger back then.
I haven't aged that much, you dick.
Anyway, I hope you liked this one. If you did, let us know in the comments. If you didn't, also tell us why. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.